My Honda EU7000is surges when in eco mode.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Honda tool or machine? How old is it?
It's about 4 years old. The only thing I've ever done is change the spark plug a few years ago. Recently I put a little seafoam in the gas tank about 3 times in the last month or so.
How long has this been going on with your Honda? What have you tried so far?
On and off for about 3 months now, only notice it on eco.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I was told about a month ago to run premium gas and I have now for about a month.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance on your Honda. I see that your 7000 is surging in eco mode. Is this when it's under load or just idling?
Under load.
Okay. There can be a few different causes for this. First, let me ask, do you have the battery panel installed?
What's that?
There is a small square cover over the battery. Lower left front. Is it installed? Okay. So you are either going to be sucking air somewhere or you have a small fuel restriction. We should start with removing the carburetor and blowing air through the main jet.
Removing the carb. Is that pretty easy? Wouldn't adding seafoam again possibility help clean out the jet?
Seafoam will not break up and dissolve large obstructions. It only dissolves very small particles. Removing the carburetor, cleaning and reinstalling is about a 2-hour job.
You there?
Yes. Did you get my response about seafoam? I misread your original post and I just realized that you have the 7000is, which is fuel injected. It is a very complicated system with a stepper motor. I would recommend that you take it to an authorized Honda repair center.
Thanks. Can you see the conversation that I had with Eric? I don't want to explain my problem all over again. Okay, I just have a suggestion. Make sure you read the question correctly. You could have told me that in the first couple minutes instead of wasting an hour of my day.
I would be happy to provide a second opinion on this. I have read through your previous conversation with Eric. On those units there is an electronic governor control. This basically means that the carburetor throttle is controlled electronically based off of circuitry that watches the electrical load that is put on the generator. If you plug in something that requires a lot of electricity, it will up the throttle and then will decrease the throttle when it sees less of an electrical load. I have had the exact issue that you are talking about, surging only in eco mode, come into my shop and I found that the electronic governor control unit was faulty. This is something that can be replaced, but is tricky due to where it is at. Unfortunately, I agree with the other tech that your best course of action is probably to take this into your nearest Honda small engine dealer. Here is a link to the Honda small engine dealer locator, https://engines.honda.com/dealer locator. Just tell them that you are having an issue with surging only in eco mode and they'll know exactly what needs replaced. This is something that is unfortunately fairly common on those EU7000is units. Does this help answer your question?
Thanks for getting back to me. You definitely answered my questions about my issue with M.
I'm very glad to hear that. Thank you so much for using JustAnswer. Please come back and use us the next time you have a small engine question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.